Hey everybody, Mark, 5/8 Inches Outdoor. Thanks for tuning in. So we are here at the park. We've been doing some filming and everything like this, and just checking out the truck and flying the drone, that type of thing. So what I wanted to do is show you a product that we received from ALLPOWERS. They sent it over to us to check it out, try it out. I figured I'd give some feedback, and so let's show you some of the features here. It is the ALLPOWERS 600 watt solar rechargeable battery bank. So it's a little smaller than the big units, and you know, I think it's something you may be interested in. So let's check it out. Alrighty everybody, so this is the unit. I have some specifications up on the screen just so you can pause and take a review. But it's a nice and compact. It's pretty light, but it has some great features on it. On the top, you can charge a cell phone or some other device that has wireless charging enabled. It comes with a 100-watt solar panel as one of the options here to help charge it up when you're out on the road. As far as the different capabilities, we have 2 AC power plugs. We have one 12-volt DC cigarette lighter style and 2 12-volt plug-in style connectors. We also have 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A. So this gives you plenty of options. There's a display screen over here. Shows you the status of the battery, the charge level, everything like that. But I mean, this is a cool little unit. It worked out great taking it quickly to the park versus some of the larger units that we use for camping. But it was a great little thing. It was easy to throw into the back of the car and really come here to the park, you know, fly our drone, do some videos, do some filming, and then really just take a break, get everything charged back up and all that. So this was our first use. It's really worked out well. We'll continue to try this so we can bring you some follow-ups and updates at a later time. But we like to do these little videos here in regards to products and different items, just so you know you can make your decisions and go from there. But I appreciate your watching. Thank you very much. Don't forget, if you have any questions, throw down some comments. Like this video if you get a chance, and subscribe to our channel if you're a non-subscriber. We want to keep on bringing you different videos and different showcases of products as we buy them or whatnot. But thanks for watching. We do appreciate it, and we hope to see you checking out our future videos. So have an awesome day. See you out on the trail.